thought behind starting M-Carbon was to become a value-added service innovator. M-Carbon is at the center of customer centricity to provide the best usage and revenue enhancement solutions for telcos worldwide.
We basically transform customer insight into customer intent. We are a telco's survival kit for ever-changing customer landscape.
Our focus areas are in the area of usage and retention, analytics, clouds, and prepaid market segmentation.
Other area of interest is better monetizing the unused part of the network.
Consumer satisfaction is the core of our business. Most of our services are very open-ended in terms of the flexibility to approach a particular service. M-Carbon solutions essentially benefit the telcos in two big ways. One is dramatically increase the usage and revenue. The second thing which comes inherently with this, simplifying the customer experience, because most of our intentional work is to touch every touch point of a customer.
We help operators capture and understand the digital body language of consumers, what they exhibit when using their mobile services, and then deliver targeted user experiences.
Our flagship products broadly in customer value management umbrella are Advanced Uptime Loan and Intelligent Notifier.
It has helped the telcos increase their revenues. The ARPUs of the customer have moved from almost 2 to 5%. The one who are engaged on this service. The service is not limited to just providing advanced talk time to a consumer, but it has widened its scope for the consumers because it is available to the customer at any point of time.
Our clients are all operators in India and Southeast Asia. On an overall basis, we cater to about 500 million subscriber base. So a client stemming from our 30 million subscribers to a client ranging from our 200 plus million subscriber base. The innovation and out of the box thinking, I think these are the two important attributes which sum us up completely. And this is the cornerstone of our evolution so far.
We are a firm of pathfinders.
Complex backend but simplified user experiences.
We provide the technology that an operator needs.
The experience that you create is a complete win-win for operators and their customers.
It is inspired by customers and driven by technology.